Oh, why doesn't that work?
Welcome back, guys, to part 8 of this damp caravan renovation series. For anyone just joining us, we bought this caravan for £400, loads of problems, and yeah, check out the other episodes to see what we got up to. So out of all the windows, this one was quite badly cracked. It meant that we couldn't actually shut it properly, so I managed to find a replacement on eBay. And you can see me here, obviously removing the old one, resealing the window bar, cleaning everything up and reinstalling the replacement window. As you all know, when we got this caravan, it was missing a skylight. It was just boarded up with some ply, and finally tracked down a replacement on eBay, so time to get that installed. So you can just see me here removing the inner frame, and time to get it up on the roof. Don't like asking for help, so you can watch me struggle and get it up there all by myself, but I got it up. So now I just need to remove the outer frame, slowly prying it away and removing the mastic. And sadly my camera malfunctioned, so this was as far as I got, so we're just going to have to turn it into a magic show. Just like magic. Added some butyl tape around the small skylights, and if you guys remember in a previous video, I had to fill in a load of holes from all those screws and staples in the roof. And after doing quite a lot of research, the option that I've decided to go with is this roof liquid rubber waterproof sealant. I will add a link in the description for anyone interested in having a look at it. It's a really good little kit because it comes with everything you need: gloves, brushes, roller, and also this polyester seam tape to help reinforce joints and seams where water can obviously get in. It's self-leveling, so it goes on really, really nicely, and yeah, you can watch me here do the first coat. So here you can see me using that seam tape along the roof rail. It builds like a fiberglass layer, so it'd be super watertight. It's almost like when you have a cast on for a broken wrist. It's pretty much like that. Then I came back the next day to do a second coat. Be mindful, this will ruin any clothes that you get it on, and so that's why I'm wearing the same top again, because this stuff will not come out your clothes. I also added some painter's tape along this edge to try and get a nice crisp line. And I would advise pulling that blue tape off pretty much straight away afterwards, otherwise you'll be there forever picking it off. Don't ask how I know. And there we have it. It looks like a brand new roof, doesn't it? I can also say that we've had about a week and a half's worth of torrential rain since then, and it's holding up perfectly. This footage was actually done only the other day, so yeah, really impressed, and I suppose only time will tell. And I've also been looking for those scissors, so now I know where they are. So this is where I'll leave it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.